Good morning, children. Let us continue the history lesson for what books and burials are giving information for us. Especially, we are learning about the Rig Veda. Yesterday, I have explained in Rig Veda about archaeologists giving information about cattle, horses, and also the chariots. In Rig Veda, when they wrote the hymns, they have given importance in different kinds of the cattle, and they prayed for the cattle and chariots and different types of animals also. And even the people, they used to elect the person those who are having the more talent and skillful and courageous person, they used to elect as a ruler to rule for them also. So in the Rig Veda only, again the one more side heading it is there, words to describe the people. In some of the words they are giving hymns they have written, and also the some of the words giving meaning. The meaning will be the same, but the two words they are going to be using. In the first one, the some of the words used to describe people found in Rig Veda. So the in a about the giving meaning, the meaning will be the same, but using the two kinds of the words in the language they used in the Rig Veda also. And next one, there are two groups who are described in the terms of their work. The priest, sometimes called Brahmins, who perform various rituals, and the Rajas. And here the group of people. The second one, the groups who are described, and the group of people also, they used to call different name, and they are called the some based on their work they will be calling the priest. And these priests only, sometimes they are called as the Brahmins. Priest means the person who is offering pujas and yajnas and yagas in the temple, and under the guidelines of the rulers, priest. And priest we can call, and also sometimes they called as the Brahmins, and they perform the pujas and rituals and about the safe of the Rajas. The next one, two words were used to describe the people or community as a whole. The next one, so about the rituals and the Rajas, about the Rajas, which places they ruled, how their sons were developed, and also the capital cities of the Rajas. In the coming chapters we can be learning. But here the two words how they were using the in Rig Veda also. So here the two words were used to describe the people. People we can call, or community also, group of people or community also we can call as a whole community. The next one was the word Jana, which we still use in Hindi and other languages also. And present we can see the other present in our country many languages are there. In the many languages, and the meaning will be the, but pronunciation of the words will be different. Even in the Rig Veda also they have given the words will be different, but the meaning will be the same. Here also we can say the Jana, and it is which we still use in Hindi and other languages also, the group of the people. And here the community, and also the when we call the whole, and other languages, the Jana in Hindi we can call. And also the other was wish. The word Vaishya comes from the wish. The Vaishyas are there. The Vaishyas, the other word. So the using of the two words and the giving the meaning will be the same. And here the other was wish. From this word only, the next one it comes from the Vaishyas. The Vaishyas and comes from wish. So like this way, in the words, the describing the people and giving the words will be different, and also the meaning is giving two words and one meaning. And here we can see that group of people, the priest and Brahmins, and here also we can say that people, community as a whole, and also the Jana in Hindi, and we can say one more another word, it is a wish, and from this word it comes from the Vaishya. So let us continue in the next class.